Looking to edit PDFs across your devices? pdfFiller lets you handle documents on your phone, tablet, or computer. Got an iPhone? Editing PDFs on the go is a breeze with the pdfFiller app. First, download the app from the App Store and log in. Upload your PDF or import one from your email or cloud storage. In the editor, tap on the tools at the bottom to add text, images, or draw freehand. Need to sign? Tap Sign, create your signature, and place it on the document. When you're done, save or share your PDF right from your phone. Editing on a Mac or Windows PC is just as simple. All you need is an internet connection and a browser. Head to pdfFiller.com and log in. Upload or drag and drop your PDF into the editor. Use the toolbar at the top to add text, images, or shapes, highlight, redact, or insert fillable fields. When you're finished, click Done to save, download, or share your PDF. Storing documents on Google Drive? With the pdfFiller add-on, you can open any PDF for editing in just 2 clicks. Once you've installed the add-on from Google Workspace Marketplace, simply right-click on a PDF, click Open With, and select pdfFiller. Your document will open in the editor, where you can make all the changes you need. Once you're done, save it back to Google Drive. Download the pdfFiller app from the App Store or Google Play, or try it in your browser.